Hi there, I'm back again. We are going to do director's fees. Now, we have been given the director's fees as per pre-adjustment trial balance, which is 1,126,250. Now, this is the adjustment. The company had two directors at the beginning of the financial year, 1 July 2024. Whenever there is a full stop in your statement, in your paragraph, know that there is information that you have to take out of that statement. Now, why is the examiner giving us a full stop? For us to rest and collect information. Right. What information do we collect from this statement? We have two directors at the beginning of the year. The year is starting on the 1st of July 2024. Now, you know, first thing first, we draw our number line, which is our year. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We are told that our year is beginning on the 1st of July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June. From here to this direction, it's 2025. From here to the other direction is 2024. Right. We are told that at the beginning of the year, we have two directors. Right. Now let's go collect other information. Both directors were not paid their fees for June 2025. Full stop. So, these two directors, they were paid from the beginning of the year up until May. According to the information, they are not paid for June, meaning that we owe them directors' fees for 1 month. What information do we collect from here? Paid 11 months. You can add to say owing 1 month. Right. Let's continue and collect other information. A third director was appointed on 1 February. Okay. There is no full stop here, but that is valuable information to note down. We will come back and continue. Let's go down and jot this. On the 1st of February, third director appointment. Or let me say appointed. Right. At a fee of 10% lower than the existing directors. Okay, let's jot this down. Less 10% fees. Let's go back. And he received his fees for the current year. Okay. He received his fees for this whole year. No, he cannot receive the fees for 12 months because he was only appointed in February, on the 1st of February. So this director was only with the company for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months. So meaning that he have been paid 5 months. 5 months have been paid. Right. And that is a full stop. That's it. So now let's start working. In a nutshell, what the examiner is saying here is that this amount of money, 1,126,250, $1,126,250 is for 3 directors. One has been paid 11 months. The other has been paid 11 months as well. The other have been paid 5 months. All those amounts are included here. But now, with this director, we have paid him, it's fine, we don't owe him anything. But with this director, we still owe him 1 month. We still owe him 1 month. So, what is our problem in this question? Our problem is that this amount of money that is disclosed in our pre-adjustment trial balance, it is missing figures for 2 months, which is June 2025, and this June is falling within the year that we are reporting on. So the expenses, the director's fees is the company expenses, and this June that we are talking about accrues to the current financial year that we are reporting on. Right, what do we do now to get that amount? We are going to say for 11 months, we have paid certain amount. You know, I love mathematics, né? I love solve for x, but I'm going to explain again, not using solve for x. For the first director, we paid 11 month x amount that we don't know, plus the second director, we paid 11 months, the very same x amount that we don't know. For the third director, we paid 5 months, but this one, we have paid him x minus 10% of the very same x. And when we add all these together, they give us 1,126,250. Right. Let's now remove the brackets. We will somehow add this together. 11 plus 11 is 22x. And then, now we're going to remove the brackets. 5 multiplied by x is going to give us 5x. And then 5 multiplied by negative 0.1 is going to give us minus 0.5x is equal to 1,126,250. Now we add this together and subtract the last one. So it's doable. We can add them together because the variables are the same. 22 plus 5 minus 0.5 will give us, no, I don't have to put equal sign here, will give us 26.5x is equal to 1,126,250. Having two equal sign in one equation is a taboo mathematically. Then now we want to solve for x. Divide by 26.5, divide by 26.5. This is going to cancel each other. That is why we have put 26.5 here, because we want it to cancel each other so that we are remaining with x. And then what is our x? we are going to divide 1,126,250,000 divided by 26.5, and we get our 42,500 rands. Remember, what is our X? Our X is the monthly. Remember, our X from the very beginning is the monthly director's fees before we have a decrease. So now, remember what we said. These two directors, we owe them 1 month, 1 month. So if you owe them 1 month, 1 month, and remember the decrease is not affecting all the directors. It's only for this one director who has been appointed during the year and is earning 10% less than the others. It's not that the director's fees for everyone, for every director, has decreased by 10%. You must take that into consideration. So now we are going to say, we know it's 45,000 for the previous directors who have been there since the beginning of the year. Now, we owe them 1 month each, meaning that from the amount that we are given, we have to add this by 2. Now we are going to say 1,126,250 plus 42,500 multiplied by 2. And we are going to get our director's fees that we are going to disclose in our statement of comprehensive income. We're getting 1,211,250. Right. Now, let's put mathematics away. Let's do it without mathematics now. For 11 months, we have paid 100%. For another 11 months, we have paid 100%. For 5 months, we have paid 90%. Because remember, there have been a decrease of 10%. Because this director who earned 5 months in the current year, he is earning 10% less than the other. Let's remove the brackets. We are going to have 1100 plus 1100 plus 450. Let's add this together. 2200 plus 450. We are going to have 2650. Now, this 2650 is not money. Is the proportion of the director's fees for this director who have been receiving 100% for 11 months, and this one who received 90% for 5 months. When we add these proportions together, they give us this whole. Now, remember when we get this amount, we said 11 by 100, meaning that there is a certain 100 that we don't know, that is within this amount. And the proportion of that 100 is within the 2650. Now, this is what we're going to do. What is the ratio of that proportion is 2650 divide by 100, because we want to know that. Now we are going to get our 26.5. This 26.5 is the proportion of the 100 inside a whole of the proportions combined together. Now, we are not yet talking money here. We're just talking ratios and proportions. Now, we want to know this proportion within the monetary value now of 1,126,250. 1,126,250 divided by 26.5, and we are going to get our 1,126,250 divided by 26.5. We are going to get our 42,500, which is the monthly directors' fees for those directors who have been earning 100%. And that's the end. We are done. Stay tuned. I'm going to be posting something else. Remember, for more information, the number is just underneath here, 071 121 4445. Thank you very much.